In this work, we present MagDesk, an interactive tabletop workspace based on passive magnetic tracking. Ubiquitous computing holds the promise of making surfaces intelligent and interactive. However, one challenge to this vision is that many sensing approaches incur line-of-sight issues, drifting issues, or require batteries or forms of instrumentation that require maintenance. Fortunately, passive magnets require no maintenance and maintain a stable field strength. With a 112 magnetometer array affixed under a work surface, we can track a passive magnet along 5 degrees of freedom. Even when objects are placed on the desk presenting occlusions, tracking of the magnet remains robust. This tracking ability allows us to create a multitude of interfaces, such as supporting various tangibles like a slider, a hinge, and a knob. A 3D drawing application where the stylus can be tracked in all 5 degrees of freedom, a fast-paced tower defense game where the height and orientation of the magnet are the controls while supporting multiple players. This was MagDesk. Thank you for watching, and please see the full paper for details.